The Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission gave a damning report on Cape 3 parliamentary hearings, which were recently concluded. First, it was Dr. Nevers Mumba who gave a damning Sadc report, which criminals led by Mnangagwa ignored post-2023 elections. Now a report is coming from an institution within. Sarapina mashukobra tokopana vana majara jaros. Pamsoro penao aiwaema public hearings akaitwa recently. Pangwana tunakuti the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission yakakondema ikauya kati those public hearings angasina kupira zvakanaka. Public hearings angasiri fair. People pamwe vairambidzwa kutaura, some were being barred to express their views, some were intimidated and assaulted. Sabina mashukobda yuko pangwa inoi. It was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timba penda majaraja sambanjira chiti number 2 is Zimbabweans. Dr. Mumba should have been a signal. And now another signal is being presented to us. The onus is on us not to do nothing but to act. Surely we are not going to fold our arms and watch the Mafiji dynasty do as they wish. The Gaza revolution must mobilize. Number 3. Progressive movements like CDF and other ought to join hands with the Gaza revolution and use it as a central command council. Time is not on our side. The mnangagwa regimes led by the Midlands cabals does not understand any other language than pressure. Let us stop these idiots. Domashkorea pana koinaita kwa majara jarsa chiti. We have received the signal. Katirege korega the opportunity ichingopasa say atakamboregera yepa Sadc. Atanga Nevers Mumba akauya report, but we did not act. Pangwa ine arikuya zvagara chiti panozima public hearings that say the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission has stood with us. Let us support them. Because time is not on our side. Zvikanada zviri kutori mubishi kuita zvazvinoda kuita nenyika. Pina comment section medu dzofunguro enyu ondodipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musaona subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.